Okurugira bemeze mu bicweka ebi abakozi bari mu district zaabo tibarikumara kandi nko barikugezaho okuhandiika abakozi batunga okuremesibwa ekitongole ky'enshonga z'abakozi.
And I think the cities and municipalities stand at 56, 1% below the districts. And we keep returning weight. I see people demolish no districts, they wait for their children to graduate and then they go. That's not correct.
Ichwe nkamasindi budget yaitu uli tubantunga bilioni nka 36 baitu hatokusanga tula budget 32 zonka kandi byokora byeyongeire sente zikweha kandi emirimu ikora kweyongera kandi nosanga ngo ne sente zimwe zimu ubwire bukwika katugamenkeze emisara obokubota recruiting ni bazitwara kandi bakuzitwara batwakaine recruiting.
Richard Rwamuhinga ori mukuru w'omukago oguri kugita ba chairman baza districts z'ebyangwa mu ihanga ekya URGA nagira ngo mu sente nizija kuzigarukayo obwo districts zitine bakozi.
But our desire would be that what that has been collected, let it return or pay. Because municipalities, town council, cities are choking on carpet. They have collected their money through the system of IRAS. It is at the center, but the reconciliation to have this money returned takes 8 years.
Akasenerundi esatu public service takumikiriza kandi abwensonge tuyahandika abakozi bilioni 2 ezali zokusasura abakozi zagarukayo ate nagamba ngo musango tuguli gwa district batubuli gwa public service tutwekiraniza mutwinekora hamwe ka ministries kwakana program clearance no kuzirumbwire nuko abantu bano bahandikwe kandi tubasasure sente zino zitagarukayo nuko abantu batenge obuhereza.
Adam Tsime akurwa mu kitongole cy'enshonga z'abakozi yabagarukamo.
Twakozire twashangire ebintu bigwira payroll ushanga bamwe barya payroll batari bakozi ba government abamo bafire twajya ngo reka twatereza payroll iteji then kwera terere ubwo tubikiriza abantu kurukurutinga abantu.
Ebi biro mushobo gwembarira eby'esente iyo mwaka 2023-2024 ogubira hariho ima resort hotel ku mayebero 2.
We are not going to deliver services. We are not going to achieve the objectives of the policy. 30 years down the road, Mr. Chairman, we cannot sustain ourselves as districts. It's disappointing.
How can people start fighting? They are working together and they are fighting. What are these conflicts about? Are they selfish conflicts? Again, goes back to management and administration.
Ekitongole cy'ebisente mu ihanga ababiri bari mu mushomogo bagira ngo ibinente bekanisa zo kuhindura ebiragiro byo kushoroza mu mishoro nkugwa property tax n'endije.
We all know the issues with the, for example, property rates. At the moment, property rates are applied, especially, for example, property tax is applied only commercial buildings. But we said that should be expanded so that it includes.
So if all these people can be converted and repent and we agree to disclose the information, we can fight the corruption. People know. People get information.
Omushomo gutebekanisi bw'ekitongole cy'ebisente hamwe n'ekigombe kya Civil Society Budget Advocacy Group ninga CS Bag. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwanga Bakatoto.